Welcome to 301 Harbor Heights Drive, Unit 13A. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 2-story condo, townhome style, in the Harborside condo community on beautiful Lake Murray in Lexington. It's convenient to I-20, Lexington amenities, and of course, Lake Murray access itself. So we're out front. You can see you have a nice partially covered front entry, nice sized landing. Behind here, you can see out to the parking lot. There is at least one marked space for the unit. There is a blank one next to it, so there may be possibly two, but at least one designated unit for the space. But there's plenty of parking on site as well, as you saw out there. We stepped right into the inside of the unit. One of the first things you'll notice here are the luxury vinyl plank hardwood floors that have been updated throughout. So you step into sort of a small foyer area here, and you have nice side lights on either side of the front door, or side light windows. There is a nice sized coat closet here right off the entry as well. You can see behind us the stairs going up to the second level, but we'll stay down here for now. And then also off the entry, conveniently located, you have a half bathroom or guest bath with a sink, full sink and counter there, tile floors, and a commode. And then as we come through sort of the entryway farther into the space, there is another coat closet, or actually another storage closet here on the left. Pardon the lack of lighting in here. But it's actually is the laundry room for the home. So it's the split laundry room. You can see washer dryer connections, washer on the right, and then the dryer hookup from the left. Also where the breaker panel is for the home as well. And that small closet there is just the utility one. Houses the water heater, but also does have a shelf above where you can store some items. So you can see a nice open style floor plan, nice size living and open dining room, a ceiling fan, and you have a nice sliding glass door, sort of an oversized, that also functions as the window in the unit on this level. And you can see you have your access to the rear deck out back. So you have a really nice sized deck. It does actually have a spiral staircase. I'm not sure if you can see there, that accesses the lower level. And you can see also in the overlooks just a common area with green space over here. And then you'll also be able to see in the photos that there is a sort of a small covered patio area downstairs that also has a sort of workshop and storage room that has some built-in shelving and workspace in there. Does have power as well, so that's just some additional storage or workspace for you outside. And small sort of U-shaped kitchen with an included stainless steel smooth top range. And then you have a refrigerator here on the left. A pretty basic, but a decent size. A nice cabinet space as well. So now I'll take a look at the second level. Again, those floors do continue on up to second floor. So you have 3 bedrooms here. I believe you have your primary on this side. So we'll take a look at that first. So this one faces the front of the unit. And as you can see, you have a nice sized closet on the opposite wall there. And you have some nice built-in storage and shelving, and ceiling fan in here as well. And then you have a full bathroom attached with single vanity and tile flooring, also a tiled tub and shower there as well. And then you have bathroom number 2, also the single vanity and shower and tub. Now, I may have misspoke in the intro to the video and stated that it was a 1.5 bath. I do correct myself. It is a 2.5 bath. So you do have two full bathrooms on the upper level, as well as the half downstairs. You have a linen closet here, in the hallway, sort of adjacent to the other two bedrooms. So here's bedroom number 2. You can see ceiling fan in here as well. Both the secondary bedrooms look out onto the rear of the unit and sort of overlook that green space that you can see from the balcony also. Nice size closet on the opposite wall there. And last but not least, our final bedroom. This one's a little bit irregular shape, but it's here nonetheless. Nice size, decent size closet there. And then you see you have a good floor space here and then sort of kind of an alcove space in the back with a window overlooking that green space as well. So that does complete our tour of this home. Again, 301 Harbor Heights Drive, Unit 13A in Lexington on Lake Murray. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.